I'm KP Poly, and this is Zero Declination. We're the Northern California and Nevada dealer for Overland Explorer Vehicles products, their composite pop-up campers, as well as their aluminum flatbed trays. Right here in front of us is the model HBE, the Hudson Bay edition, which is their flatbed model. It's designed for a flatbed tray truck, both 6.5 and 8-foot bed trucks. They have options for both. The truck we're currently looking at is an 8-foot truck with a 6-foot with an extra storage box for bikes and other equipment. So this is our Zero Declination gear garage. Currently have a mountain bike, an inflatable stand-up paddleboard, and a crash pad for bouldering, as well as all the stuff that goes with them, all in here on this slide-out tray. I also have all the recovery gear, action tracks, straps, and all that for the truck in the same box. So for the Hudson Bay series campers for the flatbeds, it's required to have a 3/4 or 1-ton truck with at least a 6.5 or an 8-foot bed. Here at our shop in Reno, we perform the flatbed conversions to accommodate the campers. So we have a pretty deep external box here, and then we have this one as well. I can actually get a whole 5-gallon bucket in here, along with a little cassette toilet and a lot of other supplies. An interesting thing with this box is it's actually accessible from the outside as well as the inside. On this unit, because it has the power lift roof, we actually have windows front and rear, as well as 3 down each side. So it gives a pretty spectacular 360-degree view. Each window has clear plastic to close it up, as well as a screen and thermal barrier for inclement weather. So the camper is currently popped up the way you'd have it if you're camping in it, but it easily compresses down to just over that height for travel. So all the circuits in this unit are actually wired through an S-Pod, which gives me control of everything via my phone or the S-Pod touchscreen inside. So you see I can turn on as well as dim all the external lights, as well as the lights inside, right from my phone. Now if you'll join me inside, we'll check out the interior. So here we are inside the flatbedded model, the HBE we were looking at. You can see inside the windows all the way around. Feels really spacious and open in here because of the 360-degree views. In OEV's soft sides, this is a triple layer canvas. So there's a canvas inside, a canvas outside, fire rated and waterproof with a thin slate batting material between them all the way around. The insulation inside, even on the soft sides, is an R4, and the hard side portion is an R8. They're very well insulated for cold weather. We would definitely consider them a 4-season camper here in Northern California. Every Camp Series camper, including definitely the HBE, comes standard with a Truma propane furnace as well as a Truma instant hot water heater and Suburban propane stove, and then nice deep sink, my coffee stuff in it. And the HBE comes standard with this 168-liter NovaCool fridge. Even has a pretty good sized freezer in there. You can fit your Haagen-Dazs and your Ben & Jerry's, as well as the ice for your cocktails. The fridge is a DC compressor fridge. It just runs off of the batteries. All HBEs that come from Zero Declination with 2 100 amp hour for a total of 200 amp hour Battleborn lithium batteries. And they come standard with 200 watts of solar on the roof with an additional 200 optional. Camp Series campers come standard with a full queen size bed without any slide out, but is optional a king that you slide out and then add some cushions. It's a nice 4-inch mattress. And another nice option that we have is actually we can add underbed storage. This unit doesn't have it. We can add several inches and then the bed goes on a lifting panel. Gives you access to quite a bit of storage underneath the bed. So we already talked about the view, but one of my absolute favorite things about this camper is that you have this amazing view while you're sitting at the dinette. It's almost like sitting outside, but inside. This dinette, as you can probably guess, actually folds into another bed. But one really interesting option that OEV offers, I haven't seen anywhere else, is we can actually convert this part right here to a second cot, essentially, which makes it a bunk bed. So it's very comfortable to sleep a family of 4 in here on the queen bed, a bed here, and then a bed up here. All HBEs come standard with an inside shower. You can hang the shower curtain here, remove this lid right here. There's actually a shower pan underneath. And then right here, just like the port on the outside of the camper, we have a shower port for the hot and cold water through the shower head. This model right here is our Camp-X. It's designed for a full-size short bed truck. So a full-size truck like a Chevy Silverado, Toyota Tundra, F-150, F-250 with a 6.5 foot bed. Doesn't require any sort of conversion to the truck. We just put some tie downs in the bed and it goes into your standard truck bed. It can be installed and removed in 15 to 20 minutes with a little practice. And then you've got your truck to do whatever you'd like to do with it. So here inside the Camp-X, as we said earlier, just with all the Camp series units, has a Truma furnace as well as a Truma hot water heater. Currently Red Arc Manager 30, and then all the light switches, of course. Inside is our mechanical. So here's the furnace, Truma instant hot water heater, as well as the fuse block, the back of the switches. And here we have a Suburban propane stove with battery powered igniter. So super easy to light, super easy to use. So it's this nice deep square sink. So here we have a Dometic 65 liter compressor fridge. Runs off DC power. And this Camp-X, we have a single 100 amp hour Battleborn lithium battery and 200 watts of solar on the roof. And that keeps the fridge powered up pretty well indefinitely, as well as the heater, the fans, and lights. All Camp-X campers come with a queen size bed with an optional king size slide. This one just has the queen. Most of our customers find that's more than adequate. And a nice 4-inch mattress with plenty of room above it, even when the top is down, to leave all of your bedding, including pillows, on top of the bed. This camper also has an option to add underbed storage, although this unit doesn't have it. So here in the dinette area of the Camp-X, we have this really nice dual paned operable window. Gives you this great access to the outside. It also has a bug screen as well as a shade, all built in. And here in the Camp-X, we have this nice dinette on a lagoon table leg that is also convertible into a second sleeping area. This Camp-X, we have the optional foldable stowable ladder. Hooks in there beneath the door. And then attaches here over the window. Thanks for checking us out at the Adventure Van Expo. You can always find us online at www.zerodeclination.com, at Zero Declination on Instagram, or you can always come by the shop in Reno, Nevada.